Hey guys, welcome to another Damilola Forex Academy teaching. This particular teaching is a follow-up from the last teaching where we all did a pure price action driven analysis on gold and where we predicted that gold is going to come back for a discount and push up in the clear direction of trend. And we saw gold do exactly that. Okay, so right now we are going to review the analysis again and now go on to our entry time frames where we were able to pick our clear entry and how much of profits we are currently in, because we are still in this trade riding to take profits. Okay, so how did we get on our analysis? The first thing as usual that we do is that what we come onto the monthly time frame, as we can see. And what did we see on the monthly time frame? We can see that prices is clearly bullish. Okay, without any iota of doubt, we can see that. Then what did we now do next? We now decided to read the structures. So from here, we read the structures as push, exhaustion, continued by making push, exhaustion, made a big structure circle here, push, exhaustion. The price now started making smaller structure circle here of push, exhaustion, push, and exhaustion, made a bigger structure circle here, push and exhaustion, made a small one right here, push and exhaustion, made a tiny one here, push and exhaustion, push and exhaustion, and push. Okay, so one thing is certain, like we all said, is that what is that if you are buying it in the clear direction of trend, as we can all see that gold is clearly bullish. Okay, so now that that has been figured out, what is the next thing that we are now going to do? We are now going to identify the last higher low point of prices, because our job is to keep bracketing prices into what? Into a range of focus until we see a real-time trade entry opportunity. So now we now took this low right here and we now took this high right here, and we now decided to what? To take this window as what? As our range of focus. So on the high side here, we'll tag this as monthly resistance, and on the low point here, we'll tag this as the monthly higher low. Okay, so now as we know, this window will now be what? Our new range of focus, just like we did in the last time. So we now took our range of focus to the weekly time frame. We'll bring our tags a bit closer, and what are we now going to do? We are now going to read the structures within this window that we have tagged as our range of focus. So what are the structures right here? From here, we saw price start from a big structure circle, push, exhaustion, made a small one right here, went ahead, made a smaller structure circle right here, then eventually made a big one right here, push, exhaustion, push. Okay, just like we saw in the monthly time frame, they are all in clear coordinations of higher highs and higher lows, indicating that gold is clearly bullish. So that means if we are buying it in the direction of trend, while if we are selling it's a retracement. So just like we did, we will now take what? We'll take the last higher low of prices. Okay, let's make it pinpoint, because this is where the last higher low started from, and we'll now tag it again as weekly higher low point, weekly HL, weekly higher low point, and we will now take this a bit, bring the tags a bit closer, and we'll now take these levels from the monthly resistance to the weekly higher low as our new range of focus. Taking it to the daily time frame, what is going on within this range of focus? From the low that we identified right here, we saw prices make structures of push, structures of exhaustion, push to this level, exhaustion, push to all of these levels. Then we saw a change of character here. The last higher low has gotten taken out. Okay, so for the concept of change of character, break of structure, even down to the use of Fibonacci and all, I have a full course on how to be able to learn every single art of price action trading. Link is in the description below for you to join and subscribe, and I'm going to hold you by the hand through the understanding and mastery of every single aspect of price action trading. Okay, so getting back to this, we saw that what? There was a change of character here. The last higher low got taken up, allowing us to know that yes, at the interim at least, the bears are now in charge of prices. That's why we saw all of these bearish movements continue until it hit a particular level here. Okay, now in the use of Fibonacci, right, it's important to note that for the Fibonacci, there are retracement levels and there are extension levels. So it's important to note that for the Fibonacci, right, the 61.8 ends a retracement, just as we can see right here. Prices came down to the 61.8 here to end the retracement, because on gold, just like we said, because if you are buying it in the direction of trend, every single sell is a retracement. So prices only came to this level to end a retracement. So we'll now tag this level as what? 61.8 retracement level, or let me just tag it as PRA. PRA basically means potential reversal area. So what's my duty now? My duty now is what? Okay, I've already seen the level where the retracement ended, which is at the 61.8. What is my job? My job now is to read the structures that took price to the 61.8 PRA, and at a change of character, buy clearly in the direction of trend. Now this will now take us to what? To the 4 hours time frame, where we were now able to pick our entry. Okay, so first of all, let's identify this level here as what? As the highest level of resistance right here. Let's take it as a clear resistance point here. We can even go ahead and tag it as what? As resistance CSC. CSC just basically means current structure circle. Okay, so what is going on right here? So from here, we saw prices make the push, we saw prices make the exhaustion, push to this level, exhaustion here. Then we saw prices push to this 61-point potential reversal area, and we saw a change of character. The last lower high got taken off. As soon as the last lower high got taken off, we saw prices pull back for a discount to 61.8. Remember, we talked about this discount. So brought out our Fibonacci from the low here to the high here. We saw prices pull back clearly to the 61.8, and this was one entry that we were able to clearly mint. It was a very beautiful trade where we picked our buy pinpoint at 61.8 here, and we hit the stop loss a little bit at the low. And if you are buying direction of trend, what do? Buy to the highest point of what? Of the broken structure circle. Okay, so this is supposed to be our take profit at 100%, but I told you guys about our 80% take profit target. So on every single trade, instead of going for 100%, we go for 80%. So here we were able to make as much as 1:3 on this particular trade by what? By just seeing a clear change of character here. The last lower high got taken off right here. Let's expand it a little bit. Yes, the last lower high got taken off, prices pulled back for a discount to 61.8, and we were able to ride for as much as 1:3. Okay, remember that what? We are operating using what? An 80% take profit, target. Okay, that's our rule, 80% take profit rule. So as soon as prices pushed up to this level, it never got to this resistance CSC, then it lost momentum and fell back down to this point again. So at this point, what did prices do? Prices now what? It now went ahead and grabbed more bullish momentum and what? And changed character here. The last lower high got taken off. What were the structures? The structures were push all the way to this level, exhaustion, push all the way to this level, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push to this level, and there was a change of character. Okay, so after the change of character, what did we expect? We know that what? We have all of these very beautiful entry variations, which we have a full masterclass on. Link is in the description below. After the change of character, what did we expect? We expect price to come for a discount to 61.8 and take off to the top. Okay, and this was exactly what prices did. And this is how we are currently making money on gold, because from here to here, we saw prices pull back to the 61.8, where we were able to capitalize by putting in the buy somewhere around there, and we hit our stop loss somewhere around there. And right now on gold, we saw that from that entry, prices shot up. Okay, that's why the use of Fibonacci is very important. Okay, and where's our take profit? Our take profit is back to this level for as much as 1:2. Okay, that is this high that prices refuse to get to. This is where we are going to at 1:2. However, because we have an 80% take profit rule, we are going to take profit at this mini resistance here. So this mini resistance here is going to be our take profit at just 1:2.07. So this is how we are going to make money on this trade, and we're going to have some fun on this particular trade. If you want to also join the free Telegram community where we share trade update signals, okay, link is in the description below also, and you can always hit me up and message me up in order to make money with us. Okay, guys, so watch out for the next video, like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the mentorship program.